Hello buddies, funny fame. And I have a question. Would you rather have hiccups for the rest of your life, or would you rather have sneezing problems for the rest of your life? I don't know about you, but I would rather have sneezing problems than hiccup problems, because sneezing is more enjoyable than having hiccups. Hiccups is uncomfortable, but sneezing, it can be almost pleasurable. It is kind of like a relief. What do you think? Would you rather have hiccup problems or sneezing problems? Leave it in the comments below. Thank you very much, the real Donald Trump, for the $3 donation. Now I'm going to go on my magic carpet and fly away. Thank you. Come again.